We have the final, the
Everybody
campsite.
understands what they're doing and what they're not doing this time, right? Alright, this is for the championship. Everybody out there cheer for your favorite campsite.
Okay, this is the final round. It's our guys against 141.
Alright. So if everybody's ready, on your mark, get set, go.
Oh, and we're ahead by a boat.
Head by Tulane!
Go, 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 go!
The boat is about to shut down!
Official week 5 new state champion.
Woo! Yeah. Thanks to Todd's
Victorious!
awesome tape job.
There's 3 minutes.
The next
Little-
tape from the trunk of the car!
A little extra tape from the old Cavalier. We're the winners. Awesome.